A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. Let me tell you something. You see, when you decide to serve the Lord, all kind of something can happen to you, and all kind of people can turn against you. But me I beg you to hold on strong and trust God, because of Him run things. So today, me I go read from the book we name Acts, chapter 19, from verse 23 to verse 41. Round them same time there, some serious trouble start up. People did say all sort of something about the way how the Lord say people will get to live forever. No, you did have one man we named Demetrius, we used to make things out of silver. Him used to make some little house we look just like the big one for the false god we named Artemis. And the work of them used to make whole heap of money off of them. Demetrius get up all of the people we do the same kind of work like him, and the people we do sitting close to what him do, and say to them, say, people, you know so we make enough money off of that work here. And you see and hear for yourself how the one Paul, I get people to believe say the God them when man make with their hand, and no God at all. And that not just happen in Ephesus, it happen all over Asia. If this thing not tap, it will mash up with business. And not only that, but people are going to start think say the house for the powerful god Artemis. No more. And people all over Asia and the whole world we used to worship her, now go worship her no more. When them hear when Demetrius say, then get mad and start ball up on top of them voice and say, Artemis, God for the Ephesus people them, you're large. The whole city did rile up. So then grab Gaius and Aristarchus, the man from Macedonia where did I travel with Paul, and start drag them go to the place in the city where people always get up and sit special. Paul didn't want to go in at the special place there. If he go talk to the people them, but the believer them wouldn't make him go. Also my Paul friend them, where they belong to the group of ruler them, were in charge of the city, send one message to him and beg him not to go. Some of the people did a shout one thing, and some did a shout something else, because them did in our big mix up. Most of them never even know where they did it for. Some of the people in the crowd think say Alexander did the problem, because the Jew them did push him up front. So he hold up him and for the crowd keep quiet. So he could attack for himself, but make them know say him and him friend them never do nothing. But when the crowd learns say him a one Jew, all of them start ball out, Artemis, God for the Ephesus people them, you're large. And then keep this up for about 2 hours. The man who in charge would tell the people in the city about nothing important where the leader them make up their mind for do or say, and get the crowd for settle down. Then he said to them, say, Ephesus people, who out there don't know say, are we in charge to take care of the house for the powerful Artemis, and our stone will drop from heaven where we worship. So, since nobody can say, then sitting here no go so, you know, for settle on yourself and tap this foolishness where cause so much trouble. Because you know, carry them to mania, come in here, even though they not thief, nothing out of the house for God, or say nothing bad about her. So if Demetrius and the man them will do the same kind of work like him, have no problem with anybody, the court open regular and judge them. So make them carry go there so. But if you don't want nothing else, you have to go deal with that when the leader them for the city call the people for meet. Because right now, the Roman ruler could have charged we for all of what happened here today. Like, oh, nobody can give no good reason for what happened. After him done talk, him order them for left the building and garden yard. And God WOD this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.